I see the glow in our children, a spark of tomorrow rising from today.
I see the church alive with song, the walls humming with prayer, faith not just passed down but lived right here.
I see eggs colored and nestled in baskets, cracked together in laughter, shared like our stories, like our faith.
I see us gather. I see us rise, again and again.
I see a community of thousands. Voices, stories, lives, shared in faith, moving together toward the future.
I see us all believing. I see us all together. I see us as one family.
I see one unbreakable spirit,